Follow these tips to ensure you get the best performance from your Beldray All In One floor cleaner. With the floor cleaner switched off and sat on the storage tray, insert the supplied adapter into the charging port on the side of the machine. Remove the clean water tank by pressing down on the tank and pulling away from the floor cleaner main body. Unscrew and remove the water tank cap. Fill the tank with water or Beldray hard floor cleaning solution, diluted 1 part solution to 20 parts water. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines when diluting cleaning solutions. Never use foaming solutions. Ensure the water tank is screwed back into place before reattaching to the floor cleaner. The tank will click into place when secure. With the clean water tank filled and unplugged from the charging adapter, press the power button once to turn on the floor cleaner. The power indicator light will illuminate green, and the spray indicator light will be white to show that the low spray mode is active. To move up to the higher spray setting, press the spray button. The spray indicator light will illuminate red, and a heavier spray will be emitted. Pressing the spray button again will turn off the spray. Ensure spray is turned off to dry floors. When you have finished cleaning, press the on-off button. The unit will run for 2 to 3 seconds to drain off any excess water before turning off. Once the unit is turned off, transfer it immediately to the storage tray. Empty the dirty water tank after every use. With the unit switched off, push the dirty water tank release latch and remove the dirty water tank from the main unit. Open the dirty water tank lid and lift the lid assembly away from the dirty water tank. Empty the dirty water tank and rinse under clean running water. Once clean, replace the dirty water tank lid into the water tank. Reattach the dirty water tank to the floor cleaner body by aligning bottom first. It should click into place. The self-clean function removes dirt and impurities from the machine and leaves your machine ready to go. It is recommended to use this function after every use of the floor cleaner. With the unit on the storage tray and switched off, fill the water tank with water or a detergent solution. Ensure that the dirty water tank is emptied. Hold the self-clean button for 2 seconds to activate the self-clean function. The self-clean function will run for 2 minutes. Do not move the floor cleaner whilst the self-cleaning function is running. Always ensure that the dirty water tank is emptied after self-cleaning is complete. Following self-cleaning, remove the brush bar from the machine to allow it to dry. Press the floor brush cover release button and pull the floor cover away from the floor brush. Lift out the floor brush bar using the release tab and place it into the holder to allow it to dry naturally. Wipe any excess dirt from underneath the roller bar cover before refitting. The filter should be washed after every self-clean. To access the filter, remove the dirty water tank. Lift the foam filter holder from the dirty water tank. Shake the foam filter over a bin until any excess debris has been removed. Then, wash it under clean warm water. The foam filter can be placed in the storage tray to dry naturally. Always refill the filter before you start cleaning again. By following these simple steps, you will maintain a high level of performance and prolong the life of your Beldray All In One floor cleaner.